Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Rupinder's online classes and courses. This is basic to advanced English speaking course and topic for today's helping verbs. This is class 4 specially designed for the beginners. And today we are going to study the use of will be and shall be. These are the helping verbs of future tense and you can learn them effectively by comparing these with the helping verbs of present and past. And now shall we'll begin with the class. First of all, today, आज, present. आज की helping verbs, present tense की helping verbs is am, are. Yesterday, बीत गए समय की बात है, बीत गया कल. इसमें जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज़ होती हैं दे आर वॉज एंड वर एंड टुमारो. फ्यूचर क्लास 4 का जो हमारा टॉपिक है विल बी एंड शेल बी. यहाँ विल बी इज़ यूज्ड विद ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स, शेल बी विल बी यूज्ड विद आई एंड वी. और अगर नहीं भी यूज़ करेंगे तब भी चल जाएगा, विल बी हर एक सब्जेक्ट के साथ चल जाएगा. दिस इज़ आने वाला कल, टुमारो. Excuse me, आने वाला कल. Will be and shall be. So, I am a learner. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम कहेंगे आई के साथ am लगता है. मैं एक लर्नर हूँ, एक स्टूडेंट हूँ. I was a learner. मैं एक लर्नर था. जब हमने पास्ट की बात करनी है, फ्यूचर में आएगा आई शेल बी अ लर्नर. शेल बी आएगा. आई शेल बी. आई विल बी अ लर्नर इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. आई शेल बी अ लर्नर. Look at the next sentence now by comparing it in 3 tenses. Exercise is good for health. It's good for health. Anything can be here. Swimming is good for health. In past tense, the treatment was not up to the mark. Treatment एक है तो was. Treatment was not up to the mark. वैसा नहीं था जैसे एक्सपेक्ट किया था. Exercise will always be good for all of us. हम सब के लिए ही एक्सरसाइज हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. They are not your servants. मैनी के साथ आर लगेगा, आपके गुलाम नहीं है वो. दे आर नॉट योर सर्वेंट्स. यू के साथ वर. यू वर नॉट माई कंपेनियन. यू वर नॉट माई कंपेनियन. आप मेरे साथी नहीं थे. कंपेनियन कैन बी योर फ्रेंड, कलीग, कोवर्कर, सहकर्मी, anybody. So you were not my companion. This is a vocabulary word. She will be his. She will be. She के साथ will and will be can be used with any subject. She will be his sworn enemy. Sworn. वो उसकी जानी दुश्मन होएगी. She will be his sworn enemy. COVID-19 is a pandemic. This is again a new word that has just entered our dictionaries this year, very recently. This is a fatal disease, fatal, another vocabulary word, deadly. COVID-19 is a pandemic, a fatal disease. All the suspected patients, otherwise suspected means guilty भी होता है, यहाँ पे है शक के आधार पे जो patients थे, शक्की. Patients were quarantined. So this is another word. They were isolated. उनको अलग कर दिया गया था healthy patients, healthy लोगों से. So quarantine all the suspected patients. This is the subject. Were helping verb. Quarantine आपका object. So basic formula is the same of making sentences. The fear of coronavirus. The fear of coronavirus. This is the subject. Will be over soon. जल्दी ही कोरोना वायरस का फियर जो है, डर है, ये ओवर हो जाएगा. So this is how you are going to use subject, helping verb, object. That is the formula of making simple sentences. Once you learn it, you'll feel confident and you'll start making your own sentences. But practice them properly. That is most important thing. And let's see some new words. Lazy, we all know. Alsi. Sluggard is somebody who is very inactive by habit. Habitually inactive. तो थोड़ा अव्वल दर्जे का lazy, sluggard. My friend is a sluggard. And shy is Sharmila. Rahul is a shy boy. He's very shy. So shy और coy, C-O-Y, coy, दोनों का मतलब same है. Ashamed is different. Outspoken. Outspoken is somebody who is very talkative. बोलता बहुत है जो. Talkative. And somebody who loves to chat. Chatty. Outspoken, talkative, chatty. Then epics. Epics का मतलब होता है topmost. सबसे ऊपर. Peak. Climax पे. Acme. सबसे ऊपर. This is the acme of his career. So, Supreme Court is the apex court in India. Up to the mark, which is not as expected. Then pandemic. Deadly, companion means a friend. Suspected, quarantine, swan, lazy, sluggard, outspoken, talkative, chatty, shy, apex, topmost, peak, and acme. These are the vocabulary words for today. And that is all for today. Practice well, share the video with others. See you soon with new videos. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a video. Keep learning, stay safe, stay healthy.